Three top reasons why to learn Django as one framework having rapid development. Django follows the battery included philosophy, providing many built-in features like authentication, database management, and an admin interface. This enables rapid development and reduce the time it takes to get your web application up and running. Security. Django takes security seriously, protecting your web applications from common vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting, cross-site request forgery. With Django, you can focus more on building amazing features while it take care of its security impact aspect for you. Scalability and flexibility. Django is highly scalable and flexible, making it suitable for projects of any size. As web application grows, Django can easily accommodate the increasing demand and new features, allowing your project to evolve and expand effortlessly. With rapid development, growth, strong security, and scalability, Django is an excellent choice for web development and web application 2024. Start learning Django today and build amazing web applications that stand the test of time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on Django and web development. Happy coding.